Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete AI on Snapchat. If you want to get rid of my AI from your chat feed on Snapchat, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open Snapchat application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the camera page, swipe towards the right hand side of the screen and in the chat page, you'll be able to see My AI. To delete your My AI from your chat feed, all you need to do is to press hold on My AI chat and tap on chat settings. Tap on clear from chat feed button and tap on clear in order to delete My AI from your chat feed on Snapchat. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.